How are you?
Fine.
Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Philippines, but I'm here in Taiwan now.
Now, where are you?
Taiwan.
Taiwan. Oh, you live there for working?
Yeah, working.
Oh, okay. Before how long you have gone Taiwan from Philippines?
I'm staying here in 11 years.
11 years. Wow, it's a long time. You looking,
Yeah.
but you looking so young. I thought you are just 18.
Young.
Yeah.
I'm old.
Okay, so do you know where are I from?
Where are you?
Can you guess where are I from?
Where are you from?
Bangladesh. I'm from Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know? Do you have any idea about Bangladesh?
I don't have.
Don't have. Okay.
But I know Bangladesh, but I don't have idea.
Okay.
Oh, you know about Philippines.
Because I had a friend. I had a friend there. He lives in Cebu City.
Mm.
Talisay Cebu City.
Cebu?
Yeah.
I'm Cebu.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Mm.
Your name? What's your name?
Margie.
Margie. Wow, nice name. Nice to meet you, Margie.
Thank you.
Welcome. My friend taught me some Philippines. Do you wanna hear?
Mm.
Mahal kita. Why are you laughing?
Okay.
Why are you laughing?
Because mahal kita is speak English in I love you, right?
Yeah. You're right. You live in Taiwan, right? So
Yeah.
which language Taiwan people speak? Which language do you speak in Taiwan? Mandarin
Mandarin.
Chinese. Mandarin Chinese, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So can you teach me some Mandarin Chinese if you don't mind?
Why me? Why me?
What I need, yeah. What I need, it means I love you, right?
Yeah.
Ni hao, hello.
How are you? Ni hao. Hello.
How are
How
you?
are you?
Yeah. Right.
Good. You're so nice. You know how to speak in many language.
No. I don't speak my language. I just speak a little bit English and my mother tongue Bengali.
Okay. Very good.
I think your heart is so beautiful like you. Yeah.
Thank you.
Welcome.
I am a good woman.
I think so. You can find a good person for you in Taiwan.
Here in Taiwan too much, but I don't want.
What?
I don't like.
Oh, okay. It's time to say goodbye because it's midnight here and I wanna go another Fiki. Our Fiki is finished now. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so see you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Bye. Take care of yourself.
Welcome. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.